Another problem sa ating hydroelectric. In a hydroelectric station, water is available at a rate of 175 cubic meter per second under a head of 18 meters. The turbines run at a speed of 150 RPM with overall efficiency of 82%. So find the number of turbines required if the maximum specific speed is 460. So pag naghahanap ng number of turbines, and sa given, pansin nyo, meron din kayong binigay na specific speed. And so basta given ang specific speed at naghahanap ng number of turbine, we can assume na yung equation na gagamitin natin is specific speed. And the specific speed of a turbine is basically ito. Ns na naka-RPM equals N square root of the power, horsepower, over the number of turbine divided by the H in feet divided by H in Ns natin. Diba? So raised to 5 over 4. So Ns is the number of stages, Nt is the number of turbine. So etong specific speed na yan ay English units. So di ba nga sabi natin, kapag nagsosolve ng problem, naging unahin yung English units. Kapag walang lumabas, saka nyo itatry yung other units na SI or metric. So let us have yung ating mga values. So yung N speed ng turbine is given. Specific speed is also given. Yung power natin, so sir wala. But we can compute that. Since meron tayong volume flow rate and tsaka head. So paano ba compute ng power pag may volume flow rate at head? That's basically gamma QH. So times efficiency kasama pa yon pag meron. Then, so ibig sabihin, kung gamma is constant, Q is given, H net is given, similarly ganun din yung efficiency, then power can be solved. So ma-solve natin to, power. Yung N natin yan yung hinahanap, yung H natin is given, i-convert lang natin yung head. So Ns pag walang given, that is 1. So therefore, direct sub lang natin yung mga values. Ito yung mga values natin. Pwede na natin ma-shift solve yung problem natin. So gamma is 9.81 pag SI, kilonewton per cubic meter. So ang unit niyan, kilonewton per cubic meter. Then 175, that is basically cubic meter per second. Ito ay cubic meter per second. Yung 18 natin, that is meters. And so pag unit cancellation natin, cancel to. Kilonewton meter is kilojoule per second kilowatts. So yung 0.746, that is kilowatt per HP, diba? So horsepower yung matitira sa loob. Ayan, so maka-cancel yung kilowatt. Ayan, so makukuha mo yung horsepower. So tama yung units natin sa power. Dito naman, meters to, convert natin ng feet per minute, feet per meter na 3.28. So tama lang din yung units natin. Anyway, pag nakita nyo naman na tama yung units, then pwede na natin siyang pindutin sa calculator. Sige, so lagay lang natin. Bali, meron tayo ditong 460. And equals, this is 150. Square root ng 9.81. Sige, so times yung 175. Times 18. Times 0.82. Divided by 0.746. So times the number of turbines and divided by 18. So lagay lang natin 18 times 3.21. So yung conversion natin to feet, diba? So raised to 5 fourths. So once we have done this, simply press shift solve. Tapos maglagay lang tayo ng value na nasa choices para mabilis yung pag-compute. Then we wait para bago yung lalabas na sagot sa atin sa calculate. And so merong lumabas na value 0.1347. So sir, walang lumabas na value dito pag ganyan. Ibig sabihin, hindi English units yung ginamit. So kung hindi English units yung ginamit, anong unit system yung ginamit sa specific speed? So most likely lang ginamit dyan yung SI. Diba? So kung SI yung ginamit, yung units na gagamitin natin ay kilowatts tsaka meters. Hindi na natin need na i-convert yung 0.746 tsaka yung 3.27. Okay, wala na yan, di ba? So, ito na yung lalabas. Sige, so balikan natin yung calculator and cancel lang natin yung mga conversion natin para makuha natin yung units ng SI units. So, balikan ulit natin yung shift solve. Then, press yun lang equals. Makakompute naman ni calculator yan. Nantayin lang natin. And so, may lumabas, 1.96. So, basically, may closest answer na makukuha. Yan yung ating letter B, 2 turbines. So, anyway, yan yung ating answer sa problem na yan.